Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make bold text in your text messages on WhatsApp. So let us guide you through it. Launch the WhatsApp application on your Android and enter a conversational chat with one of your contacts. So let me go with that conversation here for demonstration purposes. Next, tap into that text field at the bottom and type in your message. Like for example, bold text, just for the sake of this tutorial. And basically guys, to convert your text into bold text, all you need to do is add an asterisk symbol to the end and also to the beginning of your text. So tap into the end of your text here, head over to this symbol here in the bottom left corner of your keypad and add the asterisk icon or symbol here. It looks like a star. And do the same with the beginning of your text. Tap into the beginning of your text or move your cursor there. And after that, again, tap into these special symbols here in the bottom left corner, question mark 1, 2, 3, to gain access to the asterisk symbol and add the asterisk symbol again. That is going to automatically make your text bold so that you now can send it to your contact by tapping into that button here to the right, and that will do the job here guys. As you can see, not difficult at all. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.